There are YouTube channels creating Animal Kingdom content that are estimated to earn more than $8,000 per month. So how are they doing it? Today, I'm going to show you how to create Animal Kingdom videos with AI to build a YouTube channel. First, go to promptauto.io. Then search for master prompt for the Animal Kingdom film workflow. Next, copy the chatbot link, paste it into the search box, and click Search to open the chatbot. Once you enter the chat interface, click Start. At this point, the chatbot will ask, "How long do you want the film to be?" You just need to enter your desired video length. Since this is a tutorial video, I will choose a 1-minute video. Then click Send and wait for the chatbot to suggest topics. When the chatbot gives you a list of topics, you can simply choose the one you like. Or you can enter your own custom topic and send it. Right after that, the chatbot will generate a voiceover script for you. Next, click Continue and send it back to the chatbot so it can process the next step. Now, the chatbot will generate image prompts and video prompts for you. At this stage, copy image prompt number 1, then open VO3, switch to image generation mode, choose a suitable image model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Wait a few minutes and VO3 will return the first image. Next, go back to the chatbot, copy image prompt number 2, paste it into VO3 and click Generate. Repeat the same process for all image prompts until you finish creating every image. After you have all 6 images, go back to the chatbot and copy video prompt number 1. Then open VO3, switch to video generation mode, choose the image to video option, select the Omni Flash model, drag image number 1 in as the first frame reference, paste the prompt and click Generate. After that, go back to the chatbot again, copy video prompt number 2, paste it into VO3, drag image number 2 in as the reference image, and click Generate. Keep repeating the same process until you finish all 6 video prompts. When all videos are created, download every clip to your device. Next, return to the chatbot and copy the voiceover script. Then, open a text-to-speech tool such as Minimax or 11 Labs, paste the script in, and generate the voiceover. Once the voiceover is ready, download the audio file. The final step is to open CapCut, import all video clips and the voiceover file, then edit everything so the scenes match the narration. You can also add background music, subtitles, and extra effects if needed. After that, export the final video and upload it to your platforms. With this workflow, you can create a complete Animal Kingdom video with AI to build a YouTube channel without filming anything yourself, without writing prompts manually, and without coming up with the full script from scratch. Before, you might have spent a lot of time thinking of ideas, writing the voiceover, creating images, generating videos, and adding narration manually. But now, the chatbot helps you with almost the entire process. You do not need to know how to write prompts. You do not need advanced video editing skills. You do not need to plan every single scene by yourself. And you do not need to spend too much time producing each video. Let AI handle the rest. This helps you create more videos, build your channel faster, publish content more consistently, and increase your chances of growing a YouTube channel in the Animal Kingdom niche. If you want to create an animal-themed YouTube channel with AI, Master Prompt for the Animal Kingdom film workflow is definitely worth trying. Follow for more AI chatbots, workflows, and content creation tools.